Hello and welcome to the CSIMMs mean module. We're going to be talking about the mean and distributing cookies today. So, despite the name mean sounding really, mean, it's actually quite generous. So let's think about Kiera. Kiera, it's her birthday today, and she brought 5 cookies to share for her birthday. Her boyfriend Axel brought 7 cookies to share. And their friend Anika is going to join them in the festivities to share the cookies. So the question is, how can the cookies be shared evenly for Kiara's birthday party? So mean is, how can we distribute evenly or fairly? So what I want you to do is I want you to take 30 seconds to a minute, pause the video, and try to work out this question on your own. Okay, well, how did you do it? Well, there are several ways that I can think of to do it. One way to do it is to just start distributing the cookies. So we could give each person a cookie one by one, handing them out until we're all out of cookies. And if you see after I do this, I end up with each person getting 4 cookies. But if you think about it, this could be rather hard if we have, let's say, 100 cookies. I don't want to, I like Kiera, I like Axel, and I like Anika, but going around and visiting them 25 or 30 times each, is a lot harder than just giving them their 4 cookies or 10 cookies or however many cookies at once. So, what's another way that we can do it? Well, let's think about it. Let's look at the total number of cookies we have. So we can calculate that by taking the 5 cookies that Kiera has and adding to it the 7 cookies that Axel has. If I take that and divide it by the total number of people who I'm distributing the cookies to, which is 3, I end up with 12 divided by 3, or 4 cookies per person. This works more generally. So if you think about it, this would work for any number of cookies I have. So I could take the total number of cookies and divide it by the total number of people and get the number of cookies per person. So let's try a more general case. Let's assume that Kiera, Axel, and Anika bring 12, 36, and 18 cookies to share with their class of 11 people. How many cookies should each person get if the cookies are distributed evenly? So what I want you to do is I want you to take 30 seconds to a minute, pause the video, and see if you can work this problem and figure out how to distribute the cookies evenly. All right. How was your luck? How did you do with the distributing of the cookies? Are you an expert cookie distributor yet? Well, let's see. So recall that before we had the total number of cookies divided by the total number of people. So on the top, I'm going to add together all the cookies. So I have 12 plus 36 plus 18 cookies. And I'm going to divide that amongst 11 people. The total number of cookies on top is 66. And when I take 66 divided by 11, I end up with 6 cookies per person. And that's how you distribute the cookies most evenly.